In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop WhatsApp group calls, providing you with a comprehensive guide tailored for 2025. Whether you're here because those incessant group calls are driving you up the wall or you simply want to gain a bit more peace and control over your notifications, you're in the right place. We've all been there, a quiet afternoon, and suddenly your phone starts buzzing like a bee on caffeine. Let's dive into how we can make that a thing of the past. First, a simple yet effective method is to mute call notifications for a specific group. Begin by opening WhatsApp and heading to the group chat that's been overly chatty. Once inside, tap on the group name at the top to open the group's info page. From there, find the option that says Mute Notifications. You'll see options to mute it for 8 hours, 1 week, or a full year. Pick whichever suits your needs. This way, calls will no longer alert you. Instead, they'll silently arrive, leaving you to check them at your own convenience. If muting notifications doesn't quite cut it, consider exiting the group altogether. To do this, go back to the group's information page. Scroll all the way down where you will see Exit Group. Tap it and confirm your decision. This action is perfect for groups that have run their course in your life and where ongoing alerts are more of a bother than a boon. Remember though, you'll miss out on all future messages, calls, and group activities after you leave. Now, if you happen to be the group admin, you possess the power to go a step further, deleting the group entirely. Navigate over to the group's info page just like before. Look for Exit Group, then once you've left, the option Delete Group will appear. Selecting this will permanently erase the group for everyone, so keep in mind the potential fallout and maybe even give your reasons for such a mushroom cloud approach a thought before going ahead with it. For those of you looking for a more universal solution, one that extends beyond just WhatsApp, there is another feature worth exploring. Many smartphones have a focus mode or do not disturb setting. Activating this will silence all notifications across the board. On most devices, you can find this option by swiping down from the top of your screen to access quick settings, or you can head into your phone's settings app. It's like turning on a giant mute button for all your notifications, perfect for when you need some uninterrupted downtime. And there you have it, 4 effective methods to tamper down on those disruptive WhatsApp group calls, from muting notifications to deleting a group and beyond. These steps empower you to reclaim your peace in whatever way suits you best. Thanks for watching, and be sure to stick around for more tech-savvy tips.